Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. I am Kelly and this is The Appearance of Clean. Thank you so much for joining me today. It's Saturday, but I am getting a jump on my Sunday reset. I like to reset my house back to baseline every Sunday so that I can start the week off right, and I am doing that today because I'm going out tonight to see a friend of mine in a play, and we will probably stay out late and visit. So tomorrow I want to wake up at a slow pace and not have to rush into anything. We are also going to be mowing and doing yard work tomorrow because we've already got bluebonnets popping up, and if we don't get that done tomorrow or this weekend, then we're going to have a mush of bluebonnets, gorgeous bluebonnets, stickers and weeds till the end of April. So that's what we're doing this weekend. Join me, relax, get some motivation to clean your house and reset your house as well. Let's get going. So I've got some whites in my wash, and I'm going to add 1/4 cup of fresh squeezed lemon juice to use as a whitener and brightener. It doesn't work as well as bleach, and it does not sanitize, but it does work as well, just as good as the non-bleach substitutes.
Close the door behind me. I never gave the key to you, even though I wanted to. I should be trying something new, but now my body's aching. I'm tired of dwelling in the...
And before I get cleaning, I'm also going to make a solution for my drain in my master bath and my master shower using 1/4 cup of coarse salt, 1/4 cup of borax, and 1/2 cup of vinegar. It's a great solution to kind of open up the pipes and clean and deodorize. If you had a clogging problem, you could use 1/2 cup of the salt and 1/2 cup of the borax and a full cup of vinegar. But since I just do this for preventative reasons, I'm just going to use 1/4 and 1/2. And then I'm going to let it sit for 30 minutes and then flush it down with some boiling water.
I could be driving to your place, but now the ground is shaking. Could be a phase, but it feels like it will never go away until we make up. I can't be myself. I never knew how much I needed you. It should have been you. Another time, another place, I just know. It could have been you.
And this is our home gym. Like many people, we had a membership to an outside gym that we just never used. So we converted an empty guest bedroom to a personal gym, and we have a total gym machine in there, some free weights, some bar weights, a treadmill, and some other exercise equipment. So I'm just going to pick everything up off the floor. I'm going to clean the mirrors, and then I'm going to vacuum so that I can move everything back onto the floor.
I could be wrapped around your arms instead of being lonely. It should have been you. Another time, another place, I just know. You could have been the one who made me feel home. What a crime and what a shame to let go. Ooh, it should have been you. Another time, another place, I just know. You could have been the one who made me feel at home. What a crime and what a shame to let you go. Sometimes I just don't know what to do. It should have been you. It's 2 a.m. and I can't fall asleep, 'cause I'm not tired. I'm thinking about the days we used to shine when we were young. I told you that we should start a band and reach for the sky. It's 2 a.m. and I can't fall asleep. I'm just not tired. I can hear the raindrops falling. It's cold outside and I kinda feel like calling, but it's too late now. I just miss you. I just miss you. We were such a constellation, right? No, you'd agree. Made a reputation for ourselves at age 18. We had the just not tired. I can hear the raindrops falling. It's cold outside, and I kinda feel like calling, but it's too late now. I just miss you. I just miss you. Miss you. Miss you.
For the most part, my master bathroom has withstood the week after my last Sunday reset. So I'm not doing a whole lot in here. I'm probably just gonna wipe down the counters because it looks
Nothing else that I can do.
my clean.
I just miss you. I've never felt like this. What are you doing to me? It only took one kiss to know that you're everything I need. Everything I need. So tell me now, because I just have to know. Do I make you wanna run away with me? Do I really make you feel like you don't need anyone? Do I make you wanna run? Just be wild and free. Do I really make you feel like you don't need anyone else? Like you don't need anyone else? Because all I need is you. The way you play with your hair, and now you're always wearing denim. Yeah, everything about you is the reason I can't spend one more day without you. Oh, so tell me, girl, 'cause I really wanna know.
So this will be the last thing I do today, guys. Thank you so much for joining me and hanging out with me. I hope you got some motivation from my video, and if you did, please subscribe and give me a like. I would greatly appreciate it. I hope you have a wonderful week, everyone. Thank you so much.
Be wild